Hey friends, in the previous video we had seen how we can install and configure iSCSI initiator and targets in Windows Server 2022. Now in this video we will just configure and we will ensure on the initiator they can access the storage resources from the iSCSI targets. So currently if you see, so this is showing like not connected. It means we have only specified the IQN values for the initiators, but still it is not connected and it cannot access the resources from the iSCSI targets. So next what you need to do, you need to just configure few settings on the initiators. So let's start by just going on the initiator server. So this is the initiator server and we will just configure few settings by just opening the server manager page and then click on the iSCSI initiator. Here you have to specify the target IP address or DNS name of the target server. So currently I'm just going to specify the IP address because I just want to access this through the IP address. Now click on the quick connect and this is login succeeded. Click on the done. So this is connected. Now you have to also specify the target portal. So this has just taken default, and similarly you have to do it on the CLSRV02 as well. So you need to just go on the server manager page and then click on the tools and then click on the initiator and type the IP address and click on the quick connect. Now it's done. If you go on the discovery, so this is also available. Click on OK. Now I will go on the FS server where targets are configured. Now refresh it. Now you can see this has been connected. So these two initiator is ready to access the storage resources which we have created, like 60 GB and 1 GB. So now go on the CLSRV01 and here you can just view the things on the iSCSI initiator. As of now this is connected. So in the previous video I also guided you to just make it sure that you have to configure, you have to just put a command that will help us to make it persistent the storage resources, because if you reboot this server, so storage will be removed. So there is a command you have to just execute post connecting your storage resources from the iSCSI target. So this is the command that you have to execute. So I'm just going to execute through the PowerShell and PowerShell ISC and run as administrator. You have to just execute it with the run as administrator command and then type over here and just click on execute. So this command will help us to make it persistent connectivity from the storage resources on the iSCSI targets. So this has been executed successfully, and now if you go on the FS server, what you need to do, you need to just check the connectivity for these storage resources. Now it's showing connected, and here even you can see this is showing connected for both IQN. Now I will go on the server and then I will go on the server manager page and I will check the disk. So currently you can see these two storages showing 60 GB which we have just configured on FSSRV through the iSCSI targets. Similarly, if you go on the CLSRV02, here this will be also available. So it means we have just configured the iSCSI targets and initiators successfully. So I need to go on the file and storage and click on the disk and here you can see this 60 GB and 1 GB is available. So in the upcoming video we will just make it available for these two disks. So in this video we have only executed, and we have only learned about that how we can make it available the disks on the iSCSI initiator through the iSCSI targets which is configured. So thank you for watching this video.